Hi, Teacher Grace here. Let's talk while I work. Alam niyo ba na may bagong inilabas ang DPWA, tinatawag na Transparency Portal? Yes, public website na kung saan makikita natin lahat ng infrastructure projects from 2016 hanggang ngayon. Roads, flood control, school buildings, name it. Hospitals, name it. What's impressive is hindi lang siya listahan. You can actually see the project cost, the contractor, the implementing office, the progress, the photos, at pati yung satellite images. Para kang may access sa actual construction site kahit nasa bahay ka lang. This is meant to be a digital shield against corruption. Kasi nga, for the longest time, ang daming issue sa ghost projects.
Mahigit 100 bilyong piso na ang nawala sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas dahil sa mga ghost project kontra baha, ayon yan mismo sa Finance Department. Apektado rin ito ang credit rating ng Pilipinas na isa sa mga batayan ng pamumuhunan sa bansa.
Overpriced construction.
Nabisto sa Senado ang 10 bilyong pisong halaga ng overpriced na farm-to-market roads. Ang ilang kontraktor na sangkot dito, dawit din sa flood control. Kabilang ang dalawang kumpanyang iniuugnay kay dating Congressman Zaldico.
At paulit-ulit na repairs. Pero ngayon may paraan na para makita kung legit o hindi. Ang pinakamaganda dito, pwede tayong mag-report ng anomalies. Anonymous pa. So if may project sa lugar nyo na parang hindi gumagalaw pero ang status is 100% completed, you can file a report with evidence. Pero syempre may challenges pa rin. Transparency only works kung accurate and updated ang data, kaya malaking responsibility ito for the DPWH. And tayo naman, responsibility natin to actually use the portal and participate. This is a good tool para ma-restore ang public trust. At reminder rin na when people demand accountability, the government is pushed to respond. And for teachers and students, this is a perfect example ng civic engagement. Gamitin ang technology hindi lang for convenience, but for reform. So ayun, sana gamitin natin because transparency is not just a portal. It's a partnership between the government and the people. This is Teacher Grace. See you in the next video.